Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I've got a review of the third in the £5 series of coins that's been released by the Royal Mint. They're the ones you can only buy in the shops, and this one, if you haven't recognised that, it's a Tudor Rose of England. So we're looking at the England £5 coin. We have there a football fan by the looks of it, enjoying the Euros or the World Cup, which have both happened just recently. So, Land of Hope and Glory is the first panel. The second panel on the inside is this one here, which is behind the design, and it talks about the £1 coin as it was and who designed it, and a little bit about the history of that. And finally, on the sleeve, it's about the St George, the patron saint of England. On the inside panel behind that is the experience, the coin like never before. So this is talking about the Royal Mint experience. Now, this set of coins, the four of them, because Scotland is coming out later this year, are only available to you in the Royal Mint shop. And the only way you can get that is to visit the Royal Mint at Clantrisant. Now, you're not likely, unless you're a local, to just go in and to go into the shop. You're more likely to go for the Royal Mint experience, which is a trip around the mint, showing you how they mint their coins and everything else. So you will see many YouTubers or coin tubers actually talking about their experiences of going to that. So certainly Pocket Poet did one just recently, Christopher Collects did one just recently. I'm not sure if Grossy did, can't remember that one. And I think also Trev from Coins to Collect all did videos of their Strike Your Own at the Royal Mint for the Strike on the Day coronation coin. So the last panel, or the last of the panels that give you information about the coin and the design, is the original maker and a little bit of information there. The final thing on the back talks about the three lions, which is the symbol that they use on the pound. They used on the pound coins to represent England. There, and then it gives you the specifications of the coin. If we go into the coin itself, and let's zoom in a little bit. This is a proof coin, and you can tell that. Can you see the frosting here? The difference between the front and the back, and that's a very frosted sort of look. And then you've got the mirror image behind it, and it gives you Charles III, the value of the coin, and the year of the coin. Now that's the part that we were looking for, and the standard of this is very similar to the standards of the other two, which I've shown you, which has been Northern Ireland and Wales. Whoa! Light. Northern Ireland and Wales. It's frosted, it's a proof coin, which means it's the next standard up from BU. And these coins, the three of them that have been released so far, have been wonderful in the way that the image has been taken, and the fact that it's frosted and it's quite punchy. The actual coin itself, it looks quite punchy, the design does. You know, the lines are frosted against a mirror background. It's a lovely look. The lovely looking coins. The Welsh one was wonderful. The Celtic knot was fantastic as well, and this one has just carried it on. I'm really looking forward now to the way that Scotland is represented. There are rumours that it could be the thistle, and there are rumours that it could be the rampant lion. I'm tending towards the rampant lion, although both, like this one, England have had two different versions on the £1 coin, the old round £1. They had the three lions, and they also had the oak tree. Wales had the daffodil. Wales had the leek and the red dragon. So I tend to think it's more likely to be the rampant lion. So there we go. That's my review of this coin. What do you think of it? Would you want to get these if you could? Is there a limit on them? It doesn't say there's a limited number, but normally these coins are very highly minted. They're not that highly minted because, you know, they tend not to, because they aren't on sale through the website. There isn't a demand for them. Although I'm sure if they did put them through the website, there would be the demand. However, it would lose some of its uniqueness if they did it that way. I'm very glad to have these, and I have my friend Bo Selector to thank greatly for this. I'm looking forward, as I said, to the Scottish coin, and I believe it will be the rampant lion. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins like I have done here, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I am looking to improve my subscription level this month, sorry, for the rest of this year. I'm currently on the mid 170s and I'm looking at trying to get 250 by the end of the year. I think it's going to be a stiff target for me, but hopefully with your help I will get there. For those of you I do 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. From me, until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future on this channel, until we meet again, bye bye. Ta-da now.